Hey, I'm Tutorial Phil. Welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to talk to you about a recent Byredo haul that I've gotten. The three items you see on the right here I already made a video of. It was the limited edition from the pre-release, the Elevator Music, which is a collaboration with Off-White by Virgil Abloh. I'm going to link the video in this description, and also you're going to see a card up there if you want to check that out first. I have more details on that. Since I already made a video, I'm not really going to go through any details. It's the three items that are available from that collection: the hair perfume, the hand cream, and then the full size, the 100 milliliter perfume. So these are the new items that I picked up. These did come in a box, so I'll just show you quickly what these are. This is one of their new products. It's the rinse-free hand wash, which basically is a hand sanitizer. And this is scented with suede, one of their newer scents, but it's not available as a perfume. It's only as, I think, this, a hand scrub, and it might be in a large format hand cream. I forgot exactly. But these come with the black packaging, whereas all the other ones come with the white, because this is, like I said, it's like a hand sanitizer. So it's definitely much more of a liquidy texture than cream. And this is 30 milliliters. I think that's the only size they have, and it's $30. This next item also comes in a box, and this is the hand cream version. This is 30 milliliters of Mojave Ghost, and this is $36. And this comes with a white cap as opposed to the black cap, which most of them come with. I think depending on the scents, they may use a different color cap, but I do like this black and white effect. So this size is something I would probably keep in my bag or maybe at my office. And for these, a little go a long way. So you just want to test it out with a little bit first before you decide to squeeze out a lot. The casing here is aluminum, so as you squeeze it, you're gonna basically permanently change the shape of the tube. It's not like it's plastic where it will rebound. And this is the large size. So I should mention, and I say it in my other video about the Elevator Music, when Byredo does their limited edition or collaboration versions, it's actually more expensive. So I believe the hair perfume was $70 for the Elevator Music, whereas for their regular permanent collection, their hair perfume is $62. And that goes the same with the hand cream as well. So these are both 30 milliliter hand creams. They actually have different colored caps. But I believe this one, the Elevator Music, was $40, whereas their permanent collection is $36. And so far I haven't seen collaborations in the big hand cream size. And then this last one I haven't unboxed yet. This is part of their newer releases, Bibliothèque, which started out as a limited edition candle, and now they've brought it back. Initially as a room spray, and very recently they brought it back as the triple set I just showed you with the Elevator Music, as a perfume, hand cream, and hair perfume. This one I got some samples of it, and I really do love the scent. It's very warm and sweet, but I think it's very pleasant. And I also like the design just throughout their packaging and the design of their bottles throughout their lines. So that is what their room spray looks like. It's the same shape as their perfume bottles, but this is much taller because this is 250 milliliters, and that's the only size that their room spray comes in. I believe they started with 3 cents, and now I think they have 6. Another one of my favorite that I didn't get, that I probably might get in the future, is Cotton Poplin. I also really liked it. It's a much more cleaner scent. This one is warmer. I mean, I guess it's better for fall, winter, but it's still, I just think it smells pleasant throughout the year. I think some people might misunderstand, since this is Bibliothèque, which is French for library, that it smells like paper or old books. And this bottle is a smoky black glass color. And then you can see on the bottom, Byredo room spray, 250 milliliters, which is about 8.4 fluid ounces, made in France. And I think that's the alcohol percent is 17%. That's actually something new I haven't seen from any perfume companies, because these all, even though it's eau de parfum like this one, alcohol is usually the first ingredient, because it just helps. It's like the vehicle to help it spray onto where it needs to be and also dry up quicker. So I haven't sprayed this yet because I just unpackaged it for you, but I can already smell it. It smells really good. If you get a chance to try this, if it's at your local boutique or if you're able to get a sample, I honestly highly recommend that you try this. It's really a good scent, I think. Very pleasant. So that is my entire haul. This room spray, along with their other ones, are $120. And that is my video. So just to quickly recap all of the items. Technically, this is part of a different haul, but it's really within the time frame of a month or so that I got all of these. So the elevator music, the 100 milliliter perfume spray, eau de parfum, I believe was $275. The hair perfume was $70. The hand cream was $40. And then over on this side, the rinse-free hand wash, the 30 milliliter in suede, is $30. The one next to it is the Mojave Ghost hand cream in 30 milliliters is $36. This is the full size hand cream. But they also say, I forgot to mention that it says hail and nail cream, but the texture is pretty much the same. So I'm not exactly sure if there's a huge difference between hand cream and hand and nail cream, but this one, the 100 milliliter, is $71. The hair perfume, the Blanche, is $62. And then finally, this room spray, which is 250 milliliters, is $120. I have a couple of other Byredo videos, so you can tell that I'm a huge fan of theirs. I love the packaging. I do truly like the scents. None of them is really overpowering. I'm looking forward to new product launches from them. I'm actually trying to get my hands on their off-white collaboration, the rucksack or the beach bag. I think that looks really cool. I may explore their other leather items as well, because they're trying to expand into that market as well. So they do have some small leather goods as well as a few women's leather goods. Let me know what you think of Byredo, if you've tried them before. If you have, I'd be really interested to know what are your favorites. I think I've tried just about all of them, but I'm definitely open to suggestions on new ones to try or new products to try. So thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos and check me out on Instagram for the latest updates and exclusive content. And I hope to see you in my next video.